Hi folks, Gene and I are here just finishing up a video, a two-part video we've been working on for a couple of months. And before that we have some good news for you. Susan, you come out and tell the good news.
Thank you, Dan, Gene. I just wanted to tell everybody the good news, which is we've just hit our 400,000 subscriber mark on YouTube, and we're super stoked about that.
It's all you that's making this happen.
It's big.
So we just had to pause for a second before we went on and filmed more videos to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts, because we couldn't do it without you. It really helps to get your viewership. And we're talking about the people who have been there for 10 years or more, or even people that have just recently discovered us. We know how much content there is in the YouTubeverse, and for you to take the extra step and subscribe to our channel, it really helps us out a lot.
I love working on guitars, but you know what? I really love doing videos on working on guitars even more.
I mean, you've been making videos for a long time.
It started with film, black and white film, then color, then it's VHS, then DVDs, and now on YouTube. The big time. We made it.
It's really the community that makes this all worthwhile. We love all of your comments. We grow from it. We learn from it. How else would I know I sound just like Tom Hanks?
It's
You
true.
do?
I guess I do. So thank you so much. 400,000 is such a big number, and we're so excited to put out even more.
Yeah, we actually have a ton of awesome content coming out. Of course, videos with Dan and Gene, but we have great collaborations. We have the great Tomo Fujita coming back, Doug and Sharon Proper.
Hey,
we
that would
have,
be great.
yes, Driftwood Guitars is
I love
coming
those
back.
guys.
Shock the Fox is going to do a finishing video with us. And Gene, you have like a whole fretwork series coming
Yeah,
up
we're
this
working
year.
on some good fretwork videos.
But we have to finish this one first.
That's right. This is an epic video. Part 2 is going to be crazy. We ran into a lot of surprises along the way, but we got this guitar back together and restored beautifully. It plays amazing. It sounds amazing. Don't miss this video.
And this is the moment, man.
Yeah.
I haven't played this guitar for 57 years.
We're about to hear what it sounds
We're
like.
going to see if it can still play some blues.